Hello everyone, let's learn 10 lines on discipline in student life. Discipline means following a set of rules and orders. It is the key to success in every field of life. Discipline helps students to focus on their studies. A disciplined student always finishes work on time. It teaches us to be punctual, honest, and respectful. Discipline helps in building a strong and good character. Without discipline, life becomes messy and difficult. We should follow discipline at home, school, and outside. It helps us to stay healthy and physically fit. A disciplined person is respected by everyone in society.